Welcome back to another video. So, have I had a treat turn up? These have literally just turned up yesterday and I had no clue they were coming. Oh my gosh. So these are Madam Glam gel paints, brand new neon collection. They are exactly the same as Madam Glam's other gel paints. They've already got a collection of 12 gel paints. These are exactly the same. They're vegan, cruelty free, HEMA free, palm oil free, 21 free formula. So quickly, let's have a look at these colours. So we've got electric yellow, vivid green, hot coral, glow orange, ultra pink and dynamic blue. They come sealed with this silver foil, so I'm just going to get this silver foil off them all. I'm going to give them a quick swatch and then we'll do something with them. You can get 30% off, guys, Madam Glam products, using my code unpolished30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. So I've got some swatch sticks out and I'm just going to open a new brush. You can use any gel brush. When you get a brand new brush, always make sure you get all that. It's got like a powdery glue sort of thing. Stops it from getting damaged in transit. And I normally just give it a rinse in some alcohol. And then we're good to go. Oh, we've got a piab. So, shall we just get on with it? So, I'm just going to put some music on because all you're going to hear from me is wow. Oh my gosh, wow, oh my gosh. So, I'll chat to you whilst I quickly do this. What is it? Electric yellow, and that is electric. Let's just go, shall we? I don't know if I'm going to need to give these a stir. Oh my gosh. So you can use these for full cover. Obviously they're painting gels, but you can use them for full cover. And these dry with, they don't dry with a tacky layer. So if you wanted to paint on a matte nail, you don't have to piss about top coating your design. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so bright. It's so much brighter off camera. So these gel paints cure in the lamp for 60 seconds as well, guys, not 30. So I'm going to stick some music on now and just let you watch. Right guys, that is them all swatched. I have given them a top coat just because I like that super glossy. But they do dry with no tacky layer. So like I said before, they're brilliant for painting on matte nails and stuff. But oh my gosh, look at those. This orange looks a lot paler on camera than what I'm seeing. It is a pale orange, but it's a really unique orange. I like it. I love this coral and blue together. Oh my gosh, aren't they gorgeous? They are all just one coat, super pigmented, just a quick swipe down each side, done. So I'm going to get some tips out and we'll do just a little quick easy design, shall we? So I've decided I'm going to use the yellow, the blue and the coral. So what I've pulled out is my Dibber Dabber ombre spongy thing. These gel paints are absolutely brilliant for doing ombres with these sponges because they're so opaque. And because they're quite a thick consistency, the sponge doesn't absorb it like it does with a gel polish. So I'm using for my base colour, this is Cherry Petals, and it's just a really pale pink. I think this is out of the Macaron collection, but don't quote me. So that's going to go on all 4 of these tips, just 1 coat, and I'm curing them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that's all my tips painted now. So I'm gonna use my sponge. I'm just gonna dip my sponge in that paint. I needed paint on my palette for later in the video anyway, so just I'm wiping most of it off, and I'm just gonna dab it onto the nail, and then when I get to the bit that I want to fade off, I kind of use the side of the sponge that's got no gel on it and kind of fade it out. And look at that, guys, it's so easy, and it puts it on in really, really thin coats as well. So that's been cured for 60 seconds, and I'm just giving it a second coat, and that's all it needed, just 2 coats. So again, I'm dabbing it with the sponge where the paint is on the sponge, and then you'll see I turn my sponge to the side and fade it out with the dry part of the sponge. So easy. So I'll just show you doing one more, and to clean off in between colours, I just use a lint-free wipe, and I just keep squeezing and squeezing that sponge until no more paint comes out of it, and then I'll just dab any fluff and any excess off on a lint-free roller. It's the best way I've found to clean my sponges and get more than one colour out of them anyway. So that is all my ombres done. The blue was quite difficult, but we're going to give them a matte top coat. Matte top coat is brilliant over an ombre. It just makes that blend look so much smoother. But yeah, quick top coat. This is Madam Glam's matte velvet matte top coat that cures in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we're just going to do a little bit of artwork and a bit of bling. Nice easy set. So I'm going to use alternating colours and just do quite a deep smile line. Just the outline of a smile line. So obviously I'm using the blue on this yellow, and I'm going to carry that outline from the smile line right up to the tip of the nail. So I'm going to completely put a frame around the tip of this nail. So I'm doing blue on this nail. On the coral I'm going to use yellow, and on the blue I'm going to use coral. Really quirky design, but I really liked how they turned out. So that is them all done now. So I've pulled out some neon gems and some transparent kind of AB gems, and I've pulled out as well this frame. Now I'll just quickly show you sticking a few gems on, and then I'll explain what I ended up doing with that frame. So can you see these gel paints, the lines? I've put them over a matte top coat. Normally you'd have to top coat them lines because they have a tacky layer, but these gel paints, they don't have a tacky layer, so you can have that really fine glossy detail on a matte surface. I really like that. They don't have a tacky layer, it's fantastic. So onto this frame, I'm just going to stick it onto my nail with my rhinestone gel. Stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I've pulled out a white polygel and I'm just putting a blob of the white polygel in that frame. And I'm just going to use a brush and I wanted it like a little dome. Yeah, just like a little dome. It was a bit too domed. I ended up taking a bit off. So that's gone in the lamp now for 60 seconds. And I'm just using a little micro bud and wiping off that tacky layer. And I'm just going to use the gel paint and put a stripe down it of each colour. That is it. I think it turned out really quirky, something a bit different. So I will let you watch and I'll be back at the end. How quirky are those nails? They are so colourful and quirky, but I love them. I absolutely love that frame. I'm getting a retro vibe from these nails. I really like them. So quickly guys, there's the colours again. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so bright. Perfect for this time of year, aren't they? I love them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget you can get 30% off using my code unpolished30. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.